Welcome to Early Self-Study. This video is a second part of the chapter Quadratic Equation, and I'm going to explain how to find the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method and also using quadratic formula. How to find out the solution of a quadratic equation using factorization method. We know that a quadratic equation has degree 2. So there will be two roots or solutions for the given equation. And let's see the algorithm for finding the roots. So first we have to write the equation in the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and then pick the values of a, b and c. The second step is find the product of a and c, and then find two factors such that the sum of the factors is b. So we can say a plus c is equal to b. A plus c equal to b and a into c is equal to b. Using the value of b, we can write the LHS as product of two linear factors equate to 0 and get the desired roots of the quadratic equation. So now let us see how to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. So the question is 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. The first step is write in the standard form. After that, we have to pick the value of a, b and c from the equation. So the coefficient of x square is a, the coefficient of x is 5 and the constant term, that is c, equal to minus 2 root 3. Next step is you should write what is AC. AC is equal to 4 root 3 into minus 2 root 3. So we will get 4 into minus 2 will give you minus 8, and root 3 into root 3 is 3. So you will get minus 24. Now what we have to do, the next step is we have to write the factors of 24. So we know that 1 and 24 are the factors. Then if you take 2, then 12 will be the other factor. If you take 3, and the other factor will be 8. Now we have to select the pair such a way that the sum or difference should be 5 and the product should be 24. So we can see that this satisfies the condition. So that is why here we can see 4 root 3 x square plus instead of 5 you can see 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 into x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. Now just open the bracket. 4 root 3 x square plus 8 into x minus 3x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. Now from the first two terms we can see 4x is a common factor. So when you take 4x as common factor, what will be left behind? You have root 3x plus 2. And then from the next two terms, if you take root 3 outside, because you already know that 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So that is why we have taken root 3 outside the bracket as a common factor. So again, inside the bracket, you will get root 3x plus 2. So what is common here? Root 3x plus 2 is common. So that is taken in one bracket, and what is outside is 4x and minus root 3. So that is in the second bracket equal to 0. So now we have written in the in factors and now equate to 0. Root 3x plus 2 equal to 0, or 4x minus root 3 is equal to 0. So root 3x will be equal to 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 by root 3. And here 4x minus root 3 equal to 0. So 4x equal to root 3. X is equal to root 3 by 4. So we can say that these are the two solutions of the given equation, quadratic equation, using factorization method. Solution of quadratic equation using quadratic formula. This is yet another method for finding the solution of a quadratic equation. So the formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, where a not equal to 0 and b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. That means it should be positive. Now look at the question. Root 3x square plus 11x plus 6 root 3 equal to 0. So we can write the value of a, b and c. A is root 3, b is 11 and c is 6 root 3. Now write the formula. Formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So when you write the formula, always make sure that you write it as whole divided by. Now substitute the value. B is 11, so minus 11 plus or minus root of b square. B is 11, so 11 square is 121 minus 4ac. 4ac, 4 into a is root 3 and c is 6 root 3. So 4 into 6 we will get as 24. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, so you will get 72. And denominator we have 2 into a, that is 2 into root 3, 2 root 3. Now in the numerator we will get minus 11 plus or minus 121 minus 72 is 49, and when you take the root you will get 7. So minus 11 plus or minus 7 divided by 2 root 3 equal to minus 11 plus 7 by 2 root 3 and minus 11 minus 7 by 2 root 3. So what will happen when you simplify minus 11 plus 7? We will get minus 4 by 2 root 3, and the other value will be minus 18 by 2 root 3. And now we can cancel this, so you will get minus 2 by root 3, and here 2 and this can be cancelled, so we will get minus 9 by root 3. So these are the solutions. X equal to minus 2 by root 3 or minus 9 by root 3 are the solutions of the equation. Thank you for watching Endley Self Study. I'll be right back with another video on word problems from quadratic equation. See you soon. Take care. Bye.